They be a 2 Ghana for F4. Especially the young people now more Ghana no. Yeah. Somebody politics se chi. Na mudi NPP nkwasiafo we chi. Mube ko jail. Mube blame John Mahama. Mube blame NDC. And so emran na de mbwa to efiase. Enti NPP for na mo free power no. Omo no na omo disika. Na omo yire no ho tomo. Na omo girlfriends ho tomo. Omo sesia no ebi mu etu jejema ye ba be chi omatum. Enti omo yusu mumbebunu ni bi e na omo di su omo su. Enti se we jimi na ebebunu wo Ghana wadwene ya wo se. Obi ka kire wo se Kevin Taylor kan sembi enti meso meka bia wo be ko jail. Hwe abayiwa we hwe asem okan ye ende matese okan wie no waba abontene abepachew ba hwe asem okan ye muduro. Senka Ghana brand ye apply ni sisi abayiwa so ko de 5 years. Munti abayiwa we.
Mahama wa mamu ofono. Mahama wa mamu ofono. Mahama wa mamu ofono. Wakuya sarule man. Wa mamu kuya sarule man. Muba bra. Muna wasi kuina bablo. Muba bra. Mahama wafo. Muba bia udi biba mahama. Muba bia udi biba. Wa mamu ofono. Muna wasi kuina. Muba sita mo. Muba bra. Muba bra pa. Mama wafona udi abo my Ghana no. Wakuya ya samle man to atino. Makuna to atino tawo ho atomo. Yabasha. Yabahya ni soldiers for no mungamu. Ya ni soldiers for ni ate mungamu. Ene mo fa krom ha bia ni so mukuye nyina eku. Ade so mukuye. Mama mo fo tan no. Enkwasi afo njemba emponche. Mama mo fo na wo de ti wo no. What the parliament on ade bia ni mutirim say Bawku galam say. Mumpeni for ni ene eku wo mo. Ama mo fo na mo bu no. NDC amamu omoja shebu okotofo mohu de amodi aba moku ye honorable ye kokan ya afa die pasto soldiers for aba fie meku ye jane free fie so aba fie meku babo to scan masofo so ahu masofo ye meku ye uni se eni kacha soldier fo ye ni ade sin wo mo mo ti assembly mai mo ti simisi pani fo no afa na mo be wu so wo be wu wo fa wiem wo ka mo se ye eku mo tobo amo se ye eku wo mo amo se ye eku wo mo omo mo ko wu amo se ye eku wo mo ye ni eku wo mo ye ni eku wo mo afa na mo be wu afa na mo be wu mo nsa de be fie ye ni eku wo mo afa na mo be wu mo ba ye mo asefo te mo se na mo ye jane fie mo hwa de ye Barry yabo he krom ha ina adam pan ti mo hu krom ha ina adam pan ti mo hu se mo hu se krom ha ina adam pan he adam
Ashanti region in Patuom ye president ne aban abasa omo be ko galamsey ese ye nsuo and ye won kwara oba wo akora ni ho and the people are deformed aban na ba Imranti ne maba obi wo impetuoma santimemu ye galamsey na aban etu soldier for the police force omonko no omonko stop omo enye kromo manyina o nipa bi omo kuro mu a omo ye galamsey no asori so omo pese omo tia soldierfo e ma assemblyman ka ho e ma nyame ompe bone etu akokan ma na wu we ya baba awa oni be ma da sorry se opese onyem no owo but opese onum nsuo na ewo impetuoma santimemu na ne banya hoden we a young girl me sure say Akufo-Addo ebedi president 2017 na girl we ondu 17 years I'm very sure but all man ho kwan onsua de ye chini sisi ase kwa na wura ne busuafie a I say mpuro ne gum obekọ ne busuafie beka say ye nya mpuro ho you be shocked because oye ni buburo ba enipa say ye komwana allegations na oye ye mwana kwase bi be sori aka say NDC 4 time obi ya chia santini ba. You see, these are the things I talk about. Now, oya ade we wie no. And also we no ho. Erade ya go.
Yo, ebusuafo, Hannah Montana ni. Abo tete cast mine Tuesday no ye honorable ya so just for ne bone tuo. Adofo me di oyaw pa na me di oyaw sun ye na me keka nsema ensem fata. Me di wo mampani atam ne nimpanifo nyinara. John Mahama we dey mesro president baby owo bia mesro man ka say ye mo fanche me woni umpanimfo nyina nsema me kafa mo hu nyina na ebufuo ye oya wona ma me yeden me ka asasem no because so na bu ya soldiers for ne kuni nti e na ma me ka asasem ni na e de twere mo we dey me pa mo chew me de nyakopon di sremo me sremo mo fanche me ebi nsi biom me se me di nkotodwe gu form me pa mo chew mo fanche me nye biom e ya wona me de kasetia o man panini na pamfo nyina me sremo mo fanche me bi nsi biom na emom Muncha moni besha abo abotika so man na soldiers for ne ta ye ntumi ntena ye meme nyina nwurem no muda ye sremo a ye pamucho ye nafio esie ye ene ye da ye sremo ay muncha motina mo behwe abo abotika so man we de me pamucho ya cha opa ena me de bae me da mo sen so nyame show bibiara me da mo.
Look at that. You see that. A few moments later, a young former Gabi Ochida akoti UK. Ekufu ademba jankroma mu nyina nia Ghana omu di preman. Be die tuo mu Bawumia ma Samira Bawumia sa ekuro we ombe mu meyehwe. You see what you see where we are. Oyoba o enya be man nkofo ka say we oyoba na oyoba pa hips na abon te se me. Ne to na akeka ko hye ne mfim. Ne to na akeka hye ne mfim de se sofu puma enti enye se oba obema oyoba the fumpi na akoka hye de chi enti na wadwen so oni hips oyoba a young girl yekomoa no kro NPP for better radio so na Kevin Taylor de okeka ye odi otumfo atam se otumfo so lawyer ana otumfo ni lawyer so otumfo lawyer adenti otumfo mfa Kevin Taylor nkokọ se Kevin Taylor kasetiana Sarfo also a Sarfo penyin o Ghana Kevin Taylor kasatia na Kevin Taylor kaso betwa ne ti no anna Sarfo ne fa nkogina court say Kevin kaso betwa me ti evidence nie mo embebunu na maba no NPP fa mo se mo agimi oyobel oba mu obuni nsa busumi bia ehye pad onye hunua be ma wo oyoba ne hips na akosha ne pa ne hips akosha ne fumpi anything no gina say na ne hips wen na we di on so ba oba pa ochima intuition so gina wona de ne sisia ya ase Sarfo poma no enye se be ma we oba na twensem afiri na no baaye de Montana oti kurase tu una mfuturo mansa na wakoduru ho wato aba ma NPP emfaso bi amba so ya anye kota akwa ma ne da ode ne tu mfuturo sa de da na dwo ne tu mfuturo se ya o ode na mfuturo nim abanya ba ema garam se na ese ekuro no a ye pese ye ma amrantie ni bi na sebio nipa bi ada omo ye garam se be so bujai no wo ababa ya de tu mfuturo nam enam ho keka chencham kire president anaju 8 ode tu mfuturo se ya da ifuturo ni na motuom na ode akoda onam mfuturo m odrupe no de na pempem gate ano no de entoma bobon nan pa no wura dem ne to crack ya fe no the bat crack infuturo nem na ode saa kwa no de ada ade chen odi president atem adan na o NPP ni and an assemblyman and a galamse ne yakunti onti ase wakosha Michael Jordan jersey se friend Hannah Montana ukoko hwem no ne friend ya brago kurasi ni to politics social media utu mebunu atem adia onti ase ne hu bondie galamse fu esa line a extra 630 bibi basa na mo mienko ni nam djudwa bibi mu nkire about 7 masa about 7 nti wonti ase a
se wani kuma kokoda se wo hwe na wani nkum so a coalition center na kobo electoral commission for ho baye den eman se wani kuma kokoda se wo hwe na wani nkum so a coalition center na kobo electoral commission for ho baye den eman se wani kuma kokoda se wo hwe na wani nkum so a coalition center na kobo electoral commission for ho baye den eman
se wani kuma. You see, their new strategy is omo be diatem, omo keka nkwasi asem, omo wi ade channel be video. And I'm sending this message to the IGP. He should not accept this kind of apologies. So be ya or see a channel. Now, you see, there's this story I was supposed to talk about, Manka. It's got to do with the NPP. Almost say NPP to stage demo on September 23rd over arrest of party executives. So when you kuma kenekekeda. So when you assume kuma iyako is no mbo utu. Then is abwadia then okay na make an infantim. So when you kuma kenekekeda. When you assume kuma iyako is no mbo utu. MPP di omo jimi. Asem when na make an a infantim mo wati ase. O say
so when you kuma kokoda. Se wo hwe na wani nkumu so a coalition center na kobo electoral commission for ho baye den eman.
O say when you kuma kenekekeda. Se when you onkuma ko easy office ne ko bo easy ho ban no wo mbo tu na wu. Eno fante na maka kire wo no. MPP omo ejimi brutal. Eno ja ti ko pe kai MPP. Omo ejimi brutal. Se when you kuma kenekekeda. Ya to Obama ye lose 2 million votes. Ema ni pewu. Se when you kuma kenekekeda. Se when you sun kuma eyako isi no mbo utu na ko wu. Kwasiafo. Momi enko asabro so. Everybody. Oh give you. When you kuma na kenekekeda. Se when you sun kuma eyako isi no mbo utu na wu. Abo wo dam. Apofi. Now what can I pay? When you kuma kekeda. So when you kuma nantiko is no what can I pay? Now MPP for say Mr. P says be now Jack end of Friday. Be beji jomni akwakwada. When you kuma kona kekeda. When you kuma ibetima ko easy ofrida wa kana pɛ no mbo utu abuofunu wani asese de kotira ne egu o then is about enkwasi asabo a odi omusika na o press conference na nkwasi afori de kire ye no waji sika koma oba abuofunu na ma menjudwam wa kana pɛ ende akana pɛ no akana pɛ sa o kan fantima wa kana pɛ so I can in mama ako poche aga pero so the ba beza article how is the agana how is the agana I gotta say so can I say agana pero o the ban fantim now what can I pay now the ba is mama akapoche one akapoche ko elia ezma oba hausema evivi wejibi bruta idiyemi ya mini we are ready me bitwika fante fucking wa kanan pe yem fantefo yes wa kanan pe asantefo say akanan pe eya ezma fo say akapoche wo akapoche wo let's say akawo nine Miss article how is no akana pay I can say how that for you can say how that for akana how I can say sura tara good how is sura tara agawana akana pe asantimuno akana pe infantimuno wa kanan pe ezmemuno akapoche u ora akapoche ora akana pe na eyimu ya kan say dagati mu ya kan say akana pe ya kan dagati idiam ya alaji
Sister open me na, uncle so down me na. Sister open me na, uncle so down me.
Social media like Africa, you Juma, Niba be what up. Idi, I can't pet, you can't fantima, why can't con pet, why can't con pet? What about is mama akapotreke? What about a year? How's the ma? Sora tara. What about a year in grandma? Ehunai pet, in grandfather, ehunai pet. What about Arabic ma? Bakia tisa, Bawumia wa bodam. Bakia tisa, I can't pet. Why can't con pet? And I'm crying for to say, ehunai pet, ehu. Noko nai pet, go for mo Jimmy Bruta, IGP. Bakaita, tasi, the bakaita. In Arabic, say, bakia tisa, wallahi mutalahale. Bakia tisa, wallahi. Bawumia, in Kwasia Sabu Gua, I know the name Ghana, NPP. Bawumia do say, now I come as a million pound. What a story day. I got no pet. Ehunai pet in grandfather say ehunai pet in gravo. In Chinese no zinchon nina I can't pet. Zinchon nina Chinese mu no zinchon nina so Chinese 9 if nina zinchon nina I can't pet zinchon nina. Chinese as antimuno zinchonina, but Chinese infantima zinchonina nina, but a Chinese as antima ninchonina, but a Chinese infantima ninchonina. Aha, just a casan yetiti. Now, woman, you do I can't pay. And make you French mu les jours en 2 3 4 5 6 9 10 11 des jours 5 oh 5 French Mr. P. Now NPP for say omokwa demonstration ade ya chichobo party executives chenzu 9 pe. Now na powerful say na power ye ka eye aka na pa hinna na power no onka hinna na wano so ya papa hinna aka na pe what na pa aka sem no hinna into unya hinna no na bedu ahye wodum na pal kana Bawumia go jina na pal waka so topic up go 3 head go ki esie da pal I wanna follow. I can't pay. I can't say, Mamma. You got what you got? I can't pay. You can't win. We say, I'm in Ghana for. Et risqué qui neuf. Risqué qui neuf. Nessa, I can't pay French, no. Risqué qui neuf. Bawumia, the other Baba Kruba. And because somebody Baba Kruba. Any French, no. I want to phone one come with the American Council with I'm coming in. A night pet, any unkind, a night pet, a night pet. I want to phone one from the umbrella, but before that, Mummy and call as some way so. Any day, Eswa Eseke, a day, Eswa Eseke, any info for Insmana. Eswe Ezeke. Ezeke. Any ansmana, I Napal Diana baby. I obake any obake from Quasim Films. I'm Jimo. Okpoto Sieke, Okpoto. I want to phone no. I want to phone say a year. Oh, Ekpoto, Esieke, Ekpoto, Esieke. And I know. Ekpoto Esieke. Any awona ekpoto esieke aka na pe ende de besi okru ha no. Mo de mo menye we wie. De ho no bo se me mabodam. Fra for dey ready. In fact, maybe your phone line is 3 minutes be ready mo twen. Na obi abe kan de na mahu bebi aka na pe do. Mimie. Owe Jim fucking. Now, NPP to stage demo on September 23rd or 23 or 23rd, let's say that way, over arrest of party executives. I want to passionately plead with the IGP. NPP forces September 23rd, omo beye demonstration because omo trimuno NDC ni aban we echichi omo party executives egum. I am pleading with the IGP. I am pleading with the Ghana Police Service. With all due respect, allow them to go on demonstration. The Pacho IGP, do not, with all due respect, if even security-wise, try and find a way to give them all the security for them to demonstrate. We need to give NPP all the room to demonstrate. In fact, in Ghana, we are supposed to allow everyone or what some intentions so person demonstrate only adwene boni bia. So menaigu form IGP, I am pleading. Please, the Ghana Police Service, when the NPP comes, say omo permission to demonstrate, please IGP, 23rd no more chance for them to demonstrate. Do not block anybody or the NPP from demonstrating. They need to express themselves. We are living in a democratic state. We have a president who believes in democracy. We have a president who wants to listen to everyone. If the NPP, so be I am pleading with the IGP with all due respect, say, nobody should hinder, stop, block, try to stop the NPP from demonstrating. In fact, I am encouraging the NPP to get on the streets of Ghana and demonstrate because it's in their right to demonstrate. Se omu fili se bibi nkoye. Inti, I'm using this platform to respectfully send this message to the IGP. The NPP are saying they want to come out in their numbers on the 23rd. They want to demonstrate peacefully. They want to walk on the streets of Ghana and tell Ghana for say their executives are being arrested. Let us give the NPP the room to demonstrate. Inti, I am pleading with the IGP. I'm pleading with the government. In fact, this is not the work of the government. This is the work of the Ghana Police Service. They should give the NPP all the necessary support here to demonstrate. All that I'm asking from the NPP, and I say, Ghana Police Service, that opportunity, that right to demonstrate. They should make sure they demonstrate within the law. Nobody should think, say, because they are demonstrating, no, they can take the laws into their hands and misbehave. That is why I am pleading. I am pleading with the IGP. I am pleading with the Ghana Police Service to allow you to demonstrate. You are Ghanaians. Mo ho kwan say mo be demonstrate achire nyoma bia mo bonjo so. It is your right. You can go to the police formally and tell them this is what you want to do, and the police should look at your statement, your permission, your petition, whatever you want to write. They should analyze it, sit with you, and draw a plan for you to demonstrate peacefully on the streets of Ghana. Now, my advice to the NPP followers and the executives, you need to watch your statements. You need to make sure you don't incite anybody during your demonstration. You don't make statements that basically tries to create the impression that you want people to feel unsafe in Ghana, that you want this country to get into a ditch, a chaotic period. You don't want this country to have some kind of turmoil. Your statements should not draw any attention to say the mopese or mine into kwasim ana obiko di boni. So be careful what you say during the demonstration, how you conduct yourself during the demonstration. You need to demonstrate within the law. And they say, Obia breaking rana. You need to understand, say, Yawamra ebo Ghana ho ban, and especially people in Accra, mube demonstrate here. Almost they are going in and out doing their business, your politics. And see, I will plead with the IGP, with all due respect, say, with all due respect, please, whatever you can do to support the NPP to demonstrate, it's in their right. Let us give them. The same way it is in their right to demonstrate, it is always important for them to also have at the back of their mind to say, Yawo Emra or Ghana. You will be a friend of felony. You will be a friend of misdemeanor. You cannot incite people through your statement. You cannot make a statement or baby attention, baby. These are all Emra or Ghana. So won committee Emrana and asa undi sabonena. You will not know baby at Samrana kudu. Before you people get on the street to demonstrate, I'll be happy the day before, you can go on social media, on TV to read Emrano to your followers that this is Emra ebo Ghana hobra. If you break it, you have to understand the police in the chiwa. You cannot come and say Obi e tatao. The NPP leadership, you people have to sit your people down and explain the laws of the land. Dia woka edubetum rem, dia woka edubeko fiase, dia woka etiamra, ya wo emra bebre wo Ghana. Ya wo emra bebre wo Ghana. Dia befiri wano aba, se wa mane mfiri wano amba yi a utumi nya asem e wo police nsem. Se wo demonstrate na uye nyame bi a emfa kwan mu a utumi ekoda fiase. Se uye nyome bi a ukuta nyome bi eto nyome bi etu okuta o uye bibi hunahuna nipa odi ehu ehye nipa emu a sebio Ghana emra wa ha ekire sa nyome ni nyina se ubu sa mra no so ade ebetuma ayew se uye demonstration a attack obi won chen na police chiwa Ghana mra no wo de e wo se ede wo faso nti e wo se NPP as a political party no sa 23rd September demonstration we no e wo so almost start eko constituency by constituency. Now, omo preaching, omo chire mrani, omo chire, omo supporters are, omo ready to come and demonstrate because so ko the NPP demonstration echi. Na demonstrators no ebu mrem na emra so mu a. You rest assured so be come no less than 5 years. As much as you pa chow for the demonstration to go on, no, I was also who say emra bi wo Ghana. Enya dia obebu mra no so. Enya dia obeka kasebia edi eyemhihye beto obi so. Enya dia obeye eniamo nsam during the demonstration. Sa nyoma emi kan odwen say agro. Na during the demonstration no, sa obo careless okobo police ni te say the afenyoma kimbo police ni asum na ubeko jail. Wey men me konti amenya abotira me kirechiri mu akire mo because police for no bebo akire wo police station. Min marikudie dia menya abotre eye ne kakra every say uko demonstration no na ukoye nya ho nsam na say ukoye bone na ye chewa police for be bo show we akire e wo Ghana Police Service headquarters o me bo akire o bo wetie o me bo e wo TV so mo ahwe say Kevin Taylor ka kire o ade a wonti ase memfa wo ho njim ade a wonti ase memfa wo ho njim say woni obi obeka wa ase mama wa memfa wo ho njim so we fear nya memfa wo njim because IGP yohonu obe release the police tie bitono no obe release the police for your protection. Now that same police no if you flout the law they will make sure emrani ni wedi. Inti don't underestimate the police. Inti demonstration day I am begging the IGP they should support the NPP to go on that demonstration. Yen nyina ye Ghana for yen tumi nka obia kasabo anhye ne yem say bibi cause na how na so person ye kira you should be able to do it. Under John Mahama democracy is free, but when you abuse democracy you become the culprit. When you try to abuse democracy you become the culprit, then democracy become your enemy. Democracy is for everyone. Otise onyankopon So we wa adwene say obebu onyankopon kwase a onyankopon beye wo enemy obeye wo tamfo if say wontumi enso onyankopon ebufu ano kwan wontumi nso de bufu ano democracy ti say onyankopon odo bia na we wa adwene say wodi nanim betwitwi fom a ehon na bon say onyankopon dane ne ho nanim and the other side of onyankopon kire wa wontumi nso ne bufu ano ene na democracy sa na tie. And as much as you all have the right to demonstrate and live in a democracy, don't try to abuse democracy. Because if you try to abuse that democracy will be your enemy. And you cannot stop it. Adebako is dangerous when we are saying any democracy that is angry. When a democracy is angry, it is dangerous than a tyranny. You don't pebe maun, but making sure say you work within the law. You stay within the law. A woman and a woyen, they are two different things. Ya NPP for and me NPP near me will be dimechi e nyoma mienu. Tie me. Ya NPP for NPP for and me NPP near me will obi tamechi are two different things. Ubetima ya NPP ni na oni obi otawechi. Ubedem. Obi ya NPP ni obi tanechi. Ya beka na asema ma no. Enti obanyansafo dwene demonstration de NPP beye arrival departure yaba ni ebekọ ne brofo enye big deal bia ye bompa ye IGP ba mo kwan na mo mu demonstration no alaji fa we to sumo mo na kire mo se ye ginam sister open me na anka so bra me na sister open me na anka so don internet nankasa bimakota broni twen ya oma mu ye de 2025 sa alaji we o se mi shiaro na edu sometime ya na alaji no ehun question kakra wo ho because dan say alaji fo ne ye nyoma bi a e ma alaji no question kakra ba ho na nka alaji de nka nwumbre ko ya sorry fine wallahi wa kokoro won sa kokoro won nan aya ablution ejina ho e de won sa waye den waye sala odu mo mebutu fom obu onyankopon wakasa owia wo de won ba trase ebusa omo so ye den wo school now bana chiro oh end of Friday alhaji this is what we learned now bana shada go through your omo assignment the same time alhaji wo lower TV no utie wo mba mu wia no aka chom so china makaranta Saturday now aka chom say this is the reason why in tia makaranta also mu taking it serious now watch the 5 pillars of Islam now watch who okomsenyi Muhammad eye ana okomsheni Muhammad eye peace be unto him who he was and why his word is important now watch Allah what he represents and what Islam represents now what decide and ashe eye omamu yenkrimufo now watch Christ ade chi makaranta they should take their Arabic lessons serious because it is the way to the light to be able to get closer to Allah, to understand the word of Allah. And so, at the end, Alaji for ye. Alaji for atu sanyo mani nyina atu achne. And then can the Friday nanka de also Alaji we no. Oho hede Bawumia na ma okeka. Hwe nyama bi Alaji for bi ye. Na and the Friday na and the social media nti o hwe Alaji for bi nyama bi omo ye. Asa omo de agirem, omo refi so meye omeko dwuma akora wia. Sister open me na anka so bra me na sister open me na anka so don people love me some people need me some people need me some people like me I love me people like me the people need me people need me that's what it love me Alaji we mum dear, so the ono ne Bawumia to ballot paper so meto am Alaji we at least or talent. At least or to show some kind of BB obituary in the future. Yes, so Ivorian Alhaji. Salam alaikum Alhaji. Tuleba Jemapel Kevin Taylor au Ghana. Transmittant ou with all due respect au America Ghana au TV. With all due respect multi TV au transmit politics Afrique Ghana politician. Alhaji laissez la danse et attire il est important. Le choose the attire ou le choose the dance. Coran est tout le monde et ce soir et la sibling et qui ou children learn Coran is steady time. Alhaji tout le monde pantalon ou je suis la table on the tracks, Ghana Embassy Pleasure, et la danser, ou la concert, et la entertain human being. Et la pantalon au-dessus, jalabia, bungamu, dogoyaru, et bungamu, tu sois le monte. Diameka cha alaji nyan se, yen chusu na se yen chusu ala ataya. Oni ataya difference be the room. Yen fana na se yen fa ataya. Because the two of them, I want to know which one is more important. Attire and answer or no. Every time I also the church the Makuran, a church the Mamu, send Allah Yakasiye, Muhammad, peace be unto him, in church of Bayano, and then a wager and what to wa, or this, yen choose and I say yen choose attire, and then I make us a le choose to the man, Sankramon, a attire o Alhaji. The sees the same duplicate Alhaji Muhammad, Edu say a Ghana, the comedy, et le shank. Élection, tout le monde et gab la 2 millions, centre les démonstrations au campaign internal élection, si tu pas et akapa le que 9 mois, akanaipe et le mental et les stronger. Tout le monde Alaji du say et mental et les softy et internal élection. Et akanaipe or le 5 le noir. The make catching in and say, or a for Alaji Biso Gandhi, a friend Alaji do say Bawumia. Now I say, oh no, Nensem can be a man you may be in so or say akanaipe internal elections. Alaji, you may go away here, Mamu Vendiagro. Alaji for Momo.
Sister open me na, Uncle South Damiana. Sister open me na, Uncle South Damiana.
Alaya wada wedi tungusa alaje di tungusa tungusa de metuma elifa ile tungusa le alaji le temps le tungusa ne gilem gingiri now show your point mu ya na ya point da bitim nim se ma pon wa show that chelu nim se ma pon da and then Friday ma pon me pon ya che kura 10 minutes ago into metuma hwe menim part to am NPP ga so wejim papa into metuma hwe menim ga say Sibia Kevitela Tipa because to be bibi. Hey, we nipa. Into metuma hwe menim. Aka jam so obeto am NPP. Wo a hwe biam ti ya. Show am ye ma wi. Me cheche se wotuma hwe menim to am NPP. Untumi nye. Da. Inti eye Dagari for so de omo de aba. almost say akana pen in Dagari no achiri awai in Dagati for no say akana pe in Dagati no achiri awai Dagati for so esasante kakro echiri awai na se Bawumia ne chi awai ena mkan say achiri awai enti Dagari no akana pe no almost say achiri awai eni Dagati mu no just we chi awai akana pe achiri awai French mu no a risque qui neuf ene eye akana pe na wo de ba eye na pa kasama hina hini abibi we di fruta abibi o ma se nwan hina hini eno eye na pa kasam akana pe na wo de ba Chinese mu a zinchu nina akana pe Bawumia kwasiasa bunkwa Sora tara eno eye akana pe ewo eye hausa kasem sora tara na eye ehu naipe ene enkran kasa okay mini bibio ehu naipe na odeba eye Arabic ma bakia tesa akana pe na odeba eye enzemamu a enzu enzake akana pe amotwe aproche pu cheche eno eyenzema ena awonafo no kasa papa na ewo wiase no ekoto eseke Bawumia bodam yapon